welcome back to Creations by Kim. Let's see, I've got a little project here going on and everything, and I've got GKid number 2 with me. Say hi.
Hi.
Put your hands up here so I can see you. There you go. Alright, and we have picked out for a gift idea. Ooh, that was kind of loose. I've got some black glitter.
Dark purple.
Yeah, some purple and a dark purple. This is actually a Liquitex Prism Violet. And this was the Folk Art glitter purple, and then just apple barrel black in a matte finish. And are we going to do a flip cup? Dump it on there and then tilt it all over and see what we come up with?
Dump.
Huh? Dump. Okay. Alright, we're going to put this one in first. Alright, here we go. This darker purple. I kind of made a mess there. Well, I'm scraping the back side of the spatula. That's kind of funny. Alright.
We got a drop there.
Yeah. Alright.
And now we will start up.
Get some black going on. Oh.
We'll spread the edge there.
Yeah. Alright. Do another coating here.
Let's do another of that. Look. It's starting
And then we got GKid number 2 hiding in the background.
No.
GKid number 3 is hiding in the background. I screwed up there, didn't I? Alright.
I forgot he was taking it.
And this one last. I'm excited to see how this turns out.
Look at the black.
Alright, ready? Do you want to flip it or do you want me to flip it? Okay. Here, why don't you put this on top of it and flip the whole thing over. There you go.
It's escaping.
You know what? I am going to kind of pull it, help it pull. Let me find a stick here. You ready up? Okay, let's tap it a couple times. Yeah, we're starting to sound hollow. Let's go.
Man, we got up there
Should I drizzle this on the edge or up in here in the middle? Where do you want to put it? Anywhere? There we go. We got some speckledy back spots in there. Okay. Any part you really, really like?
Yeah, the middle.
Right up in here? Or over here? What about any of this?
Little purple circle.
This right here?
I like that blue.
This all right here?
I like that blue.
Oh, this out here? Well, we're fixing to run that off of the canvas.
It's making it look. It's a little picture. See? Look at it. Come on. That way. Oh, I'm doing.
Mm-hmm.
We'll find the shapes and
Ooh. I like how that's coming out. How's that? Does that look good? Okay. And all the sides are covered? Does that look good? All right. You want to call it good? Wait and see how it dries? All right.
I'll take out these stuff.
Well, let's tell them bye.
Bye.
All right. Thanks for joining us for Kreations by Kim. I'm all covered in paint here. And I guess we will see you next time on Kreations by Kim. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And if you've got any thoughts, go ahead and hit me up in the comments. Thanks. Bye.